suffer hay fever, I recommend not gifting cut flowers to the host. So if you're after a flower that doesn't have fragrance, Ms Aster is the cut flower to really invest in. Now I love Ms Aster, and I'm going to be maybe a little bit biased here because it does stand for the birth month of September. And one of my daughters is a Virgo and she's born in September. So if you have a loved one who's born in September, this is certainly the cut flower to reach out for. China Ms Aster is what it's really known for, but I like to call it Aster. The abbreviation, it's more or less known for that. Now it comes in colours white, blue, purple, red, and red is one of my favourite colours when it comes to Ms Aster. Now if you're celebrating an anniversary, 20 years it stands for. So it could be an anniversary with a loved one, it could be an anniversary that represents your business. Whatever the occasion, the number 20 is what Ms Aster stands for. Now it is a female because it comes from a root system in the ground. So when it comes to cutting the stem of a female cut flower, always remember, blossoms, to slip on the heels like so. And the diagonal cut, never forget, allows the water in from the side so it can shoot right up to the tip of your cut flower. Now if you're after your flower to come out from coma because it's looking a little bit limpy, I do recommend warm water because warm water travels faster up the stem than room temperature water. And once your stem has been revived, the following day, I highly again recommend flower food into the water mix. And remember, with water, it needs to be burped water or filtered water because tap water is a crime because it contains chlorine. Now, Ms Aster has a message, and the message is it allows you to be true to yourself. So if you're struggling in that department, Ms Aster is certainly the cut flower to have around you. Now, she does have a nationality. She's Chinese and Korean, and they can also be found in North America. Go the Americans, go! Maybe you should gift it to Donald Trump, he might like it. And on that note, my lovely dear blossoms, I think it's a wrap.